going to pick out highlights from the last 100 years. Now, I'm not 100 years old, I can assure you. Not yet. But I have picked out some things that I felt were important. The basic roots of unity started in London. And Stanhope Terrace became like a beam of light. I can't express it anywhere, like a searchlight going out. They had several floors, and on the 4th floor was a tiny, tiny flat where Ruth lived. She didn't go home at night because she lived on the south coast, and so it was too far. And she would stay all night in this little room at the top of the house. What was she doing? She was answering prayer calls during the night. Now, I've worked in silent unity, just as Kimberly works in silent unity. And we didn't take night calls. And I think Ruth did. But then the war, our country was in quite a state, because it was just before the war started. So there were a lot of needs, and I'm sure if we were around then, if it was happening now, the first thing we would do, we would have a rota for night calls, because people get sick in the night as well as the daytime. So that's where we started silent unity in this country.